This is Rhaze. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will show you guys my nail polish collection. Just a disclaimer, hindi ganun karami yung nail polishes ko. I mean, for me, marami na siya. Kung siguro inipon ko siya, like wala akong tinapon at all, sobrang dami na niya ngayon, as in sobrang-sobra. Pero I go through my nail polishes kasi every month. Chine-check ko kung ano yung mga hindi ko nagagamitin para matapon ko na sila. You know, yung mga nag-dry na. But yeah, this is one of my most requested videos. You guys wanna see it? And also, iba yung nail polish color ko. Sa clip na ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya. The clip of me showing you the actual nail polishes was pinilm ko mga few days ago pa. So, iba yung nail polish color ko there. But yeah. So yeah, without further ado, here's my nail polish collection. Enjoy! Okay, so dito ko nilalagay yung aking mga nail polishes, you guys. Ito yung pinadala sa akin ni Charlene. Ito yung Beauty Trio. Tinatawag ko siyang beauty box. But I actually do not know really kung ano to. Para sa akin, perfect lang siya na lalagyan ng nail polish ko. Kasi meron siyang takip. Meron siyang mirror dito. Can you see this? Meron siyang mirror dito noon, pero tinanggal ko, which is just perfect kasi yung mirror na yun, nilagay ko na sa bathroom ko. So yeah, yan na lahat ng nail polishes ko, you guys. Kanina lang, I went through this, and ito na lang natira. May tinapon ako mga 4-5 ata, kasi again, sticky na sila. Again, yung lalagyan na to is just perfect, kasi yung takip niya, hindi siya firm, so parang meron siyang enough space na ma-accommodate yung mga tatangkad na nail polish ko. Sa lahat, ito yung pinakamatangkad. Ito yung lagi kong ginagamit, you guys, for my ring finger. Kapag meron akong silver glittery na ring finger, ito lagi yun. This is the Hansen Teflon. Hindi ko alam kung ano talaga yung shade name niya kasi wala naman siyang shade name. When it comes to silver accent nail, ito talaga yung favorite kong ilagay. It's just a pain to remove, pero gustong-gusto ko yung finish niya, and yes. So, dito sa likod, nandito yung, again, mga matatangkad kong nail polish. Nandito yung mga OMG nail polishes ko. Meron ako ni After Party. Hindi ko alam kung anong shade nito talaga kasi natanggal yung dito. Binigay lang sa akin to ni Charlene. Actually, parang itong dalawa binigay sa akin ni Charlene. Yung may-ari ng Pretty Angel Shop. Christmas gift niya sa akin. So, thank you. And then, ito, I bought myself. Ito yung beryl. Isa din siya sa mga lagi kong ginagamit sa ring finger ko kasi it's gold and it's glittery, so I like that. And then this one is one of my favorites from OMG, yung shade niya as in bonggang-bongga. This is in the shade Cloud. Ito actually yung dinala ko sa Thailand, and tingnan nyo, I'm not sure if nakikita nyo yan, pero natapon siya nung nag-travel ako. Pero okay pa rin naman siya, chinek ko siya kanina. And then actually meron pa akong isang OMG, nasa na ba yun? Yung gray. Ito, Heart of Stone. Isa din sa mga favorite gray shade ko yan. Dapat dito ka. Oh, meron pa pala! Bigay sa akin to ni Angelica. Fashionista shop at iba pa on Facebook. Sobrang ganda din ng kulay na to. Green pepper. Gusto ko yung mga OMG kasi mura lang sila. 25 pesos lang. And madami na din sila. Hindi din sila ganun kabilis mag-dry. So that's perfect. And then meron akong mga Revlon nail polishes. Ito yun sila. I have 5 in here. I have Brilliant Strength in the shade Inflame. Marami ako natatanggap na compliments kapag sinusuot ko to. So perfect. Color Stay na Revlon in Vintage Rose. Marami ding may gusto ng shade na to. Hindi ko siya masyadong gusto sa akin pero on camera, it actually looks really nice. And then I have this Revlon din to, pero natanggal na yung ano niya. Hindi ko to masyado ginagamit kasi napaka-sheer niya. And then ito, ang ganda din nito, guys. It's a dark, kind of maroon shade. Raisin Rage. And then this one, I have not used yet. Bigay sa akin to ni Bai Orchid. Hindi ko pa siya nagagamit kasi I'm not really into this kind of shade. Parang mas gusto ko yung regular na parang walang shimmery na ganap. Unless ginagawa ko siyang ring finger. Actually, I need to use that. So, ring finger lang. That would be great. Meron pang isang Revlon. This is Crystalline collection. This is in the shade, I'm not sure what shade is this, pero this one I also have not used yet. And then dito naman, meron akong mga matatabang nail polishes dito. This one is from Billy Cosmetics. I think Billy Cosmetics is available sa Australia ata. I'm not sure. Purple Rain, and then ito blue. So, yan yung itsura nila. Hindi ko pa yung nagagamit I think I'm gonna paint my nails with, I'm not sure. Meron din ako ditong mga OPI nail polishes, yung Nicole by OPI. Ink a Dink a Pink. And then ito is Stolen Kisses. And then I have another Sally Hansen nail polish right here. This one is the Hardest Nails. Ito yung extreme wear na nail polish nila. It's in the shade Sunkissed. Square-shaped nail polishes naman tayo. I have 3 right here. This bad boy is what I have on my nails right now. This is the Annie nail polish in the shade Green Meets Mint. Binigay lang din sa akin to ni Charlene. Sabi niya, nabili niya daw to sa SM North daw, sabi niya. I haven't seen this brand here in Cebu eh. Akala ko nga from overseas siya, but sabi niya sa SM North daw niya nabili. It's just a really nice color, you guys. Look at that. I really like this shade. I have here the Hansen nail polish in the shade Tahiti Brown, which I actually featured in my favorites video. It's just a really nice brown shade. And nung na-feature ko siya sa favorites ko, actually marami sa inyo nagsabi na gusto nyo din yung shade na yan. I can't blame you. It's a really beautiful shade. So if you're looking for a really nice brown shade, I highly recommend this Hansen Tahiti Brown. And then I have here BYS nail polish. Ladies That Lunch. I haven't used this yet, as you guys can see, because again, I don't really like this kind of finish ng nail polish. Gusto ko yung regular lang. And then I only have 1 Click nail polish. I remember I have a lot of Click nail polishes few years back, pero hindi ko talaga gusto yung formula nito kasi mabilis siyang mag-dry on me. Bago lang to sa akin. I'm looking for a black nail polish kasi ito lang yung pinakamura, 1850. It's not my favorite. Mabilis siyang mag-chip, so I don't recommend Click nail polish. And then here, I have Milani nail polish. This one is in the shade Just Great. Yung great niya is GRAYT, which is cool. This is also one of my favorite colors kasi parang ano lang siya, parang very subtle na may pagka-grayish, brownish, gano'n na may ganap siyang gano'n. I think I got this from Dollar Tree. Yeah, sa US, $1 lang to, so bongga. Dito naman tayo sa mga My Posh nail polishes ko. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 My Posh nail polishes. Oh, actually, I have 5. Ito yung top coat na ginagamit ko. Actually, no, I have 6. I love My Posh nail polishes, you guys. Oh my gosh, ito hindi ko pa ito nagagamit. Ito yung pinaka-latest na My Posh na nabili ko. This is in the shade Warm Beige because I have been looking for this shade right here. This is my all-time favorite shade and I couldn't find it. Lagi siyang out of stock. Hindi ko alam kung face out na tong shade na to. It's just crazy because this is the best shade out of all. Actually, hindi ko na siya magagamit kasi sobrang sticky na niya, but I still keep it kasi nga gustong-gusto ko siya. Wala lang, I can't let go. I also have it in the shade Regular Tan. This one is a really nice shade as well. Para siyang may pagka-dusty, bluish, greenish shade. Antique blue yung shade niya. Frosted Silver Platinum. I use this as my accent nail as well. So, kapag nakita nyo, nag-post ako ng picture tapos hindi siya ganun ka-glittery pero silver siya, it's this right here. My Posh Frosted Silver Platinum. Out of all, My Posh yung pinakamura, you guys. It's only 16 pesos and for me, the best quality. I think I'm just biased because it's really inexpensive and I'm so kuripot. You need to try My Posh though because I just really like the quality of the nail polish for its price. It's just amazing. Okay, so Sassy nail polishes, I have 4 in here. A lot of you like this shade as well. This is in the shade Pussy Red. Regular White Satin, just a white nail polish. And this one, I get a lot of compliments as well when I wear this on my nails. Iced Mint. And then ito, akala ko magiging dupe siya ng Touch of Beige from My Posh, pero no, Touch of Beige is lighter, but this one is in the shade Coffee Brown. And then I have only 1 Bobby nail polish. This one is in the shade hindi ko alam, hindi ko makita. Can Make nail polish. Ito yung nakuha ko sa BDJ box ko. Dito naman tayo, I have 2 replica Etude House Iced Cream nail polishes. Ito yung mga nabili ko sa Thailand, and I got this for 2 for 50 baht. And then meron akong dalawang maliliit na super cute na nail polishes here. Bigay sa akin to ng viewer, Julie. Thank you so much, Julie. And then also from Julie is the Sephora scented nail polish. I actually also feature this on my January favorites video because it's just amazing, you guys. It's freaking scented. Like, totoo talaga, scented talaga to. So, thank you so much. And then here I have, oh, another OMG nail polish. Bigay lang din sa akin to ni Angelica. This is the Matte Potion. Here, I have my Bobby Quick Dry. Maraming nagsabi sa inyo na mas effective yung Caronia na top coat na quick dry din. Kailangan ko munang ubusin to. Kapag naubos na to, I will get the Caronia kanya one. And then here I have Chic base coat. Ito yung from Wet n Wild, parang mega shine na top coat ata to nila. This one is my favorite base coat, you guys. Sally Hansen Hardest Nails base coat. I actually stopped using it kasi ayoko na maubos siya completely. That's why I replaced it with my Chic. And that's basically it for my nail polishes, you guys. That's it, you guys. Again, hindi ganun karami. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope to see you on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye!